Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment on Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three dot lines at the top left corner right here. Then here you can find the profile and settings. Now open it. Then tap on to add the payment method just right here. Now here is the thing. If something like this is shown on your home screen or your mobile phone, then the adding a payment method is not supported on your area or your location. And if it is supported, you can simply add the payment method on the Coinbase app. And if it is not supported, then it means that you cannot add the payment method on the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can add the payment method on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.